But what is bank really selling you? Anyone? Credit facility, okay. Any other thing? Storage of money. What is bank selling you? So bank is in the business of selling trust. Fortunately, bank also gives you some interest on your money. Tomorrow banks stop doing that. Will you stop saving your money in the bank? Probably you will still think it is secured. Let me go and save it there. So what are they again selling you? Trust. So when any agreement happens between two different entities, there has to be a third person to kind of create a trust. Let's say I get into a bet with him. I need a trusted authority. That, okay, if I win, he will give me 100 rupees, and if he win, I'll give him 100 rupees. Who ensures it? A third person, a trusted authority. So blockchain eliminates the concept of a trusted authority. So people can communicate with each other, people can transact with each other, and there's no need for a trusted authority. So what it does, it distributes the trust among different entities rather than having a central trusted authority. Okay, so this slide talks about few things I mostly covered. So one of the problems I wanted to cover in here, when there is a central authority and two people are transacting, a central authority earns some commission. And who pays the commission? The people who are transacting. So if we eliminate the central trusted authority, this commission can be saved. Let's say I want to transfer some money from India to US. There are so many middlemen in between who earn their commissions. If I eliminate this middleman, I can directly transfer money from here to US. The transfer will be faster, and probably if I transfer $100 from here, the receiver will end up getting $100 rather than 94 or 95. Okay, so another important thing about blockchain is what really it is. So regulations is to society the same thing blockchain is to data. Now regulations are to manage and regulate and control the society. The same way blockchain is there to manage and control the data. And people who are communicating the data have to build a consensus among them in terms of how they want to store the data, how they want to communicate data. That is what blockchain helps you do. It also ensures security as well as auditability. If I'm giving some money to him, he's giving some money to her, she's giving some money to someone else, there's an audit trail of everything. If I pay 100 rupees today to a shopkeeper, out of that 100, 20 rupees he goes and buys something else, there'll be an audit of what happened to the 20 rupees and what happened to that rest 80 rupees. Next slide. Okay, so what is the blockchain promise? Okay, the blockchain promise is it has to be transparent. Anything that we do using blockchain, a transaction or a contract has to be transparent. It has to be efficient. It has to be done fast. Unfortunately, it's not that fast as of now. When blockchain was invented, the transaction took around 15 minutes. Now it is down to 10 minutes. But I think things are getting better. It has to be interoperable. Interoperable as in the different blockchain mechanisms should be able to communicate with each other. It should be able to protect the privacy and also the accountability. I could have talked about privacy and transparency because they're contradicting, but I don't think we have enough time for that. Next one. Okay. And what is the blockchain future? What are the use cases for blockchain? So there was a time when the only use case that exists was cryptocurrency. And blockchain was trying to find the use cases for it where it could fit, but the things have changed. Now most of the use cases are trying to figure out how blockchain can fit into them. So things have changed. So we did talk about cross-border payment that blockchain can enable, smart contracts that blockchain can enable. Identity management is another important thing. We have the whole Aadhaar. The whole Aadhaar can be based on blockchain, and things will be far more secured and trusted, I guess. The government can use it for creating its own cryptocurrency. Some of the countries have been trying it. And there are a lot of other things certain countries are doing, like Venezuela had certain things that they did. Zimbabwe did a few other things. But there are a lot of use cases that blockchain can serve. I'm done. That's it. Thank you. Thank you, students. Thank you.